our stainless steel table. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have a length of 30 inches. Depth of 24 inches. Height, 34.5 inches tall. Thickness of the table, we have 2 inches. Please note that this film can be peeled off. Measurements for the bottom shelf, we have 23.25 inches by 16.25 inches depth. Thickness, we have 1.5 inch. The distance from the top up to the bottom, we have 25.25 inches. Coming to the left corner will be the NSF certification. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.